What's up, YouTubers? Today I'll be doing a review about the Frank Apple Born to Be Hard men's fragrance review. Now, to start off with, I would like to share something. This perfume reminds me of more of like a Ed Hardy perfume. If you know that what Ed Hardy is, you probably know what I'm trying to talk about. If you don't, if you just search it up, you understand. Ed Hardy has a good name and is quite expensive. This perfume has a similar design. Okay, now the good thing about this perfume is that it has this very unique design bottled as well. Alright, that most perfume bottles don't have. Now you can see that this is a 50 ml. You can also get 100 ml as well. It has a bottle at the bottom where it's 25 ml and another 25 ml which adds up to 50 ml on this side. So you can use this. Got two bottles. It has a very nice design. It is a very budgetable perfume. You can buy from where I bought it from is more of a Sports Direct place. I just get them just to review and see the smell of it and if it's worth purchasing it. And this is, you can get this for the actual original retail price of this is just £9.99, and it has a smell of more of a top designer brands. Okay, now let me start off with the actual smell now. Okay, the smell has a very nice woody kind of smell. Okay, and then it has a very nice highlight. When it fades out, have a fruity smell. The top notes I would say is more of an apple, cinnamon, grapefruit smell, and it's very nice masculine smell as well, and that would attract opposite gender. Although it doesn't last very long, but it's worth the price. But it has a very nice, strong, expensive style smell. I would relate this perfume smell to Ed Hardy Love and Luck perfume, which that one does last very long, and it has a very strong smell as well, and it lets out a very strong smell even after it's been sprayed on yourself. After 2-3 hours, the smell still come out strong. Okay, that's all I could say. It is a very budgetable, affordable perfume. It's worth the price. It's worth the masculine smell as well, and I recommend anyone to purchase this. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe.